So I have this old Bear Kodiak special recurve bow that I like to repair. My old man got it for me for free somewhere, and you can see that it's cracked and stuff. It seems like somebody tried to repair it before. I can shoot this thing. It actually holds pretty well, uh, even though it's pretty old. So what I'm thinking I'm going to do is I'm going to put some epoxy around it and wrap it with twine so that it holds it together. So I'm mixing up a little bit of this white marine epoxy. It's a little thicker. It'll hold some of that together. I'm going to try to stuff it underneath so you can really fill some of those voids. Then I'm going to tack down the, what do you call it, the string. I'm just going to tack. Maybe I'll put a little more up top. On this, all this old putty. Trying to get rid of it. So I'm just going to embed that right in there to start it. Okay, so I let the marine epoxy dry overnight. Now I'm adding some regular 5-minute epoxy. I'm gonna give a thin coat to the main stem. Then I'm gonna wrap. Then I'm gonna wrap the twine around it. So I'm giving it a cursory storing. I spread a smooth coat of the 5-minute epoxy over the entire area that's to be covered with twine. To get a firm bond, I wrap the twine around while the epoxy is still wet. After the first coat is dry, I cover all the twine with epoxy. And this is a much stronger repair than the guy who repaired it last time. So here's a finished product. You can see the white, like I was worried about, but it came out relatively smooth, and it's actually really comfortable to shoot. It feels really nice in the hand. So maybe if that white bothers me, maybe I'll paint it. But as for now, I'm pretty content with it.